He doesn't text first. He doesn't double message. He doesn't chase. And somehow, she's the one thinking about him all day. Here's the truth most men don't want to hear. The more you chase women, the less they respect you. But older men, they've learned something younger guys haven't. They don't chase. They attract. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what they do instead. Because once you understand this, you stop being ignored and start being pursued. But there's one mistake almost every man makes, and it silently kills attraction before it even begins. We'll get to that in a minute. Before we go deeper, if you're tired of being overlooked, ignored, or treated like an option, subscribe now, because this channel is about turning boys into men who don't chase, they choose. Now let's get into it. Section 1, Why Chasing Makes You Weak. Most men think chasing shows effort. They think, if I show her I care, she'll value me more. Wrong. Chasing doesn't communicate strength. It communicates scarcity. It tells her, you are the prize, and I am trying to earn you. And the moment that dynamic is set, you've already lost, because attraction doesn't work like that. Attraction is not built on effort. It's built on perception. And when she perceives that you need her attention, your value drops instantly. Older men understand this, not because someone told them, but because life forced them to learn it. They've been rejected, ignored, played, and after enough pain, they stop chasing, not out of ego, but out of awareness. Section 2, Older men play a different game. Younger men focus on getting the girl. Older men focus on becoming the man. That's the difference, because when you become the right man, you don't need to chase. Attention comes to you. Think about it. Who gets chased more? The guy constantly texting, trying to impress, or the guy who is busy building his life? The answer is obvious. Older men invest their time differently. They build status, discipline, emotional control, purpose, and those things create natural attraction. No chasing required. Section 3, What he does instead. So if he's not chasing, what is he doing? Let's break it down. He focuses on purpose, not women. This is the biggest shift. Older men don't wake up thinking, how do I get her? They wake up thinking, how do I level up my life? Because they know something most men ignore. Women are attracted to momentum, not attention. If your life is stagnant, no amount of texting will fix that. But when you're moving forward, financially, mentally, physically, you become magnetic, and suddenly, you don't need to chase. He controls his emotions. Younger men react, older men observe. If she takes hours to reply, he doesn't panic. If she pulls back, he doesn't chase harder, because he understands. Attraction needs space, and chasing destroys that space. He doesn't let temporary emotions dictate permanent behavior. That's power. He values his time. Time is the one thing you can't get back. Older men treat it like currency. They don't waste it chasing someone who's unsure, because they know, if she's interested, it won't feel confusing. So instead of chasing mixed signals, they walk away, not angrily, but calmly, because they understand attention is earned, not begged for. He doesn't seek validation. This is where most men fail. They chase because they want approval. They want to feel wanted. But older men, they validate themselves. They don't need her to reply fast. They don't need compliments. They don't need reassurance, because their confidence is internal. And that is extremely rare. Section 4, The Psychology Behind Attraction. Let's go deeper. Why does this work? Why do women chase men who don't chase them? It comes down to one thing: scarcity. Humans value what feels limited. If you're always available, always texting, always chasing, you become predictable, and predictable kills attraction. But when you're selective, when your attention is not easily earned, you become intriguing, and curiosity creates attraction. Older men understand this naturally. They don't overexpose themselves. They let her wonder, and that's where the game changes. Section 5, The Mistake Men Keep Making. Remember the mistake I mentioned earlier? Here it is. Most men think, if I just try harder, she'll like me. So they text more, compliment more, chase more. And every time, it backfires, because effort without value is desperation, and desperation is unattractive. You can't negotiate attraction. You can't convince someone to desire you. You either create it or you don't. Older men choose to create it by becoming someone worth chasing. Section 6, Detachment is Power. Here's something that will change your life. The less you need her, the more she notices you. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you're not dependent, and that difference is everything. When you're detached, you don't overthink texts. You don't chase validation. You don't tolerate disrespect. You move differently, and people feel that. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because not chasing doesn't mean doing nothing. Older men are strategic. They know exactly when to act and when to pull back. In the next part, I'm going to break down how older men communicate, how they create attraction without chasing, and the exact behaviors that make women pursue them. If you thought this was powerful, part 2 will change how you approach women forever. Most men stop chasing, but they still don't get results. Why? Because they misunderstand one thing. Not chasing is not passive. It's strategic. Older men don't just wait. They position themselves in a way where chasing becomes unnecessary. And this is where the real game begins. Section 7, he communicates with intent. Older men don't talk just to fill silence. Every interaction has purpose. When he texts, it's not random, it's not needy, it's not constant, it's intentional. Younger men text like this: "Hey, what are you doing? Did you eat?" It's predictable, it's boring. Older men, they create emotion. They say things that spark curiosity, trigger imagination, create tension. Because attraction isn't built through information, it's built through emotion. He understands that conversations are not about talking more. They're about making her feel something. Section 8, he uses silence as power. Silence makes most men uncomfortable. They feel like they have to keep the conversation alive. So they overtext, over-explain, over-chase. Older men do the opposite. They understand that silence creates space for attraction to grow. If she doesn't reply instantly, he doesn't chase. If the conversation slows, he lets it breathe. Because he knows the one who talks less holds more power. Silence creates mystery, and mystery creates desire. Section 9, he creates chase through withdrawal. This is something most men will never understand. Attraction grows in absence, not presence. When you're always there, there's nothing to miss. Older men know when to pull back, not to play games, but to maintain balance. He gives attention, then takes it away. He shows interest, then focuses on his life again. This creates a psychological effect. She starts wondering, why isn't he texting? What is he doing? Is he talking to someone else? And just like that, she begins chasing. Section 10, he has options, or at least the mindset of it. This is brutal, but true. Men who chase usually don't have options. Men who don't chase either have options or act like they do, and that mindset changes everything. Because when you believe, I can replace this situation anytime, you behave differently. You don't tolerate disrespect. You don't overinvest. You don't chase. Older men build their lives in a way where women are an addition, not the center. And that alone makes them more attractive than 90% of men. Section 11, he filters, he doesn't impress. Younger men try to impress women. Older men evaluate them. That's a complete shift in power. Instead of thinking, how do I make her like me? He thinks, is she even worth my time? This mindset removes desperation, builds confidence, changes your behavior instantly. Because now, you're not chasing approval, you're deciding who deserves access to you, and that energy is rare. Section 12, he walks away without drama. This is the ultimate test of power. Can you walk away? Not out of anger, not out of ego, but out of self-respect. If she disrespects you, plays games, shows inconsistency, older men don't argue. They don't chase, they leave quietly. And here's the paradox. Walking away is what often makes her come back. Because now, she feels the loss. Section 13, real-life scenario. Let's make this practical. 2 men. They meet a woman. She replies late. Man number 1, chaser. Double texts. Asks if she's okay. Tries harder. Man number 2, older mindset. Continues his life. Replies when he feels like it. Doesn't overinvest. Who do you think she respects more? Who do you think she chases? Exactly. Attraction is not about effort. It's about perceived value. Section 14, the inner shift. Everything we've talked about comes down to one thing: identity. You can't fake this long term. You can't pretend to be detached while internally desperate. Women sense that instantly. Older men don't just act different, they think different. They believe, I'm the prize. My time is valuable. I don't chase what doesn't choose me. And those beliefs shape their behavior. Section 15, why most men fail. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most men hear this, but don't apply it because it requires patience, discipline, self-control. And most people want quick results. They want shortcuts. They want tricks. But there is no shortcut. You either become the man or you stay chasing forever. Final section, the new rules. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Stop chasing. Start building. Stop seeking attention. Start creating value. Stop fearing loss. Start becoming irreplaceable. Because when you do, the dynamic flips. You don't run after women. They come into your world. At the end of the day, this isn't just about women. It's about power, self-respect, and control over your life. Because a man who doesn't chase is a man who chooses. And a man who chooses is a man who wins. If this video shifted your mindset, subscribe. Because this is just the beginning. And if you're ready to stop chasing and start becoming the man they chase, watch the next video on your screen.